Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cutting power and ruling out the simplest causes. Unplug the TV and any soundbars or HDMI devices for 30 seconds. Wait and then reconnect to clear transient faults. While it's off, check the remote batteries and confirm volume or mute indicators aren't engaged. Next, open the TV audio settings and note whether internal speakers, external speakers, or HDMI ARC are selected. This sets you up for the next steps, because the wrong output is a common reason TVs suddenly talk oddly. Once done, change the audio output to test routing. Select internal speakers, then HDMI ARC, then optical or Bluetooth as available, pausing to test sound each time. Use the TV's built-in app, then an external HDMI source, then a phone via Bluetooth to isolate whether only one input misbehaves. If audio drops or becomes garbled on one path, reseat HDMI cables and toggle ARC settings. If settings seem right but issues persist, check for a firmware update and apply it. Software fixes finish by securing physical connections and confirming the chosen audio output works consistently. Reseat and swap HDMI cables into different ports and use a high-speed HDMI cable with ARC/eARC support if needed. Bad cables mimic talking or intermittent audio. Make a targeted factory reset of audio settings only, not a full TV wipe, if updates didn't help. If problems remain, verify the same source on another TV to isolate the fault. If the issue follows the TV, contact service. Otherwise, replace the offending cable or device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.